Okay, today we're going to be talking about the difference between the R, the W, and the V sounds. And mostly it's just the way you hold your lips and use your teeth. So with the R sound, we've already talked. Basically, your tongue doesn't do anything and your lips do all the work. Er, er. With the W sound, it's a little bit more aggressive. You push the sound out of your mouth through your lips. Whoop, whoop. And the V sound is almost the same, but you have to use your teeth to make the V sound. Put your teeth on your lips. V, V. So you have R, W, W, and V. V. So let's do a little practice. Repeat after me. Would that rickety vanity be constructed of walnut, or is that just a veneer? For 12 weeks she tried various reckless schemes until she was finally victorious. Without her remarkable whiskers, your cat would vanish into the woodwork. With a wave, she swiveled and strolled toward the reviewer. For the 12th time, he vowed to write a novel about wolves and vampires. As he worked to remove the grime, he wondered about the value of wax on wood. The vegetables vanished under the roaring flood waters. Whistling waxbills don't eat violets, she mused, bewildered. Her awesome velvety voice made the soloists want to weep. It's wild, she whispered. Who would have thought he'd have a Stradivarius violin? Great, thanks. See you next time.